Okay, next song is actually the Beach Boy medley. That song's not too bad, lots of fun, but there is a few little problems that we have with it. First thing I would say is in measure 48, the ending note that we have on measure 48 is actually the same note that we start those next phrases with, and that's where we're having the problems. So in 46 to 48, we have in the kind of world where we belong. So that note there is the same note that we start the next phrase with, okay? In the kind of world where we belong. You know it's gonna make it that much better when, same note there, okay? So just remember, in the kind of world where we belong. You know it's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight and stay together. Okay? So just kind of remember that little cue that's your starting note is the end of that other phrase. Okay? Then I wanted to point out something that might help us a little bit because I feel like some of us struggle in measure 60 when we get into the run, run, wee. Okay, so just think of this in measure 55, the pattern that we start on. Ba 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 da do. Ba 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 da do. That starting note is our note for the run, run, we use. Okay. Ba 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 da do. Run, run, we and so the last note is different there. Okay. Ba 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 da do. Run, run, wheel. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Run, run, wheel. Okay. And then when we finish that pattern, we actually getting into the next ba ba ba's, we tend to sing the melody there going up. So just remember that last note that we end on those oohs, we actually go down, we don't go up. So instead of ba 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 ba, we don't do that. Our ending note is then we go ba 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 da do do ba 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 da do do. Okay. Next thing I have, let's see, on our ooh bop bops. Those are actually pretty good. I just kind of wanted to point out there that the three different times we do that, the first two times are basically the same. We sing the pattern of the ooh bop bop, good vibrations, bop bop, and then we move up a little bit each time. And that happens the first two times that we go through those patterns. But then remember the third time, which is actually after let me remember what this. Let me look at it here. Measures 154 is where it starts. Okay, yeah, so that's the third time is after we do all those the psychedelic stuff that we're doing. Ba 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 ba, that thing there. Okay, so just remember the third time that it changes. We start off, we do go up once, but then at the end of it we come down. It's actually on the excitations we go down instead of continuing up. Okay, um, and then I wanted to point out also. Uh, if this helps at all in the ba ba ba's measured 139, when we start all that na 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 na, then when we start the ba 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 ba, Okay, so all the rest of that we do after that. So we do the first one, ba 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 ba. The second one goes up, ba 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 ba, and then from there we go down. So just remember, we sing it once, we go up the second time, but then we come down 5 times after that, actually. Okay, but then on the fifth time is instead of doing let me find out where it's at here. That's measures 51 and 52. Um, ba, ba, ba. And then instead of going to the ba is when we get into the I'm picking up good vibrations, ooh, pop, pop. Okay. Um, And then just the last thing when we get to that, hopefully just listening to the tracks for your parts on that will get it. Just remember that even though we are splitting on all those good vibration, good vibration, good vibrations, we actually come together on the same note at the very end. Okay, so just listen to that and then just know that when we do get to the end, don't think, oh, I'm supposed to be singing different than someone else. Actually, all the baritones are singing the same last note. Okay, and then the last couple things, there's just a couple little things in I Left My Heart in San Francisco. Just making sure, like in measure 16, in San Francisco, the first time we actually go up to an A. So make sure you know that it's a little bit higher there, and then the second time in measure 32, we actually don't go up as high. Okay, I'm not going to go to that. Just kind of look at that and then just make a note of that for yourself. And then the last thing is just Hotel California. No big thing here. Just a reminder. And all the different oohs that we do in this, we do kind of sets of oohs 3 different times. In the first 2 sets, we actually are split highs and lows. The first 2 sets of oohs that we do. Then the third set of oohs, which is after Ross's solos, was when it changes. We actually do unison oohs to the very end after that. Okay, except when we switch to the woes, and then when we throw in the words, but you can never leave. Okay, so after his solo, when we get into the oohs, this is the one time that we all sing the same oohs. It's not highs and lows there. So the first 2 sets of oohs we split. The last set after Ross's solos, we do unison oohs to the very end. And the only words that we sing it to in that section to the very end is, but you can never leave. Okay? So I know some of this is last minute, but I figured I'd send a little video instead of writing it all out. It might help a little bit better. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Get some rest, drink lots of liquid, and I will see you soon. Love you guys.